Okay, we have a Dmg-Mori 4-axis horizontal machining center, model NHX5000, serial number NHX50140301. This machine was new in 2014 and we are gonna run it for you. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. It has 500 millimeter pallets. There are two, 19.7 by 19.7. Right now we are running 3,000 RPM. Very quiet. 6,000 RPM. There's also no load on that spindle. 8,000 RPM. Machine has a M730BM control with maps and the full fourth, coordinate system rotation, 48 workpiece offsets, 10,000 RPM. It has a part program storage of a 512 gigabyte with 1,000 registerable part programs. You have through spindle coolant with a chip blaster unit. And you have a 60 automatic tool changer. Right now we're going to simulate a tool change. The door is going to open. We're going to do another. Great. Machine also has a chip conveyor. We're doing a pallet change. We're going to run some axes. That's your X. Your X is 28.7, your Y is also 28.7, and your Z is 34.6. You're hearing the way covers. And you're going to see the rotation. 360,000 degree rotation, 0.001. So you've seen the X, Y, Z, and the B. You've seen the spindle run. You've seen the pallet change. You've seen a tool change. I think you've seen it. Thanks for watching our video.